a castle born from lines and haze, tiny worlds in a scribble maze. Clouds in blue, they softly glide, paper oceans open wide, a place where doodles come alive. Doodle dreams, colors spill like sunlit streams, sketching stars and tracing beams. Doodle dreams, doodle dreams. A dragon curled in a paper cave, a pirate ship on a doodle wave, imagination's all we crave. The chimes, they tinkle soft and light, as pencil sparks turn day to night, a magical world in black and white. Doodle dreams, colors spill like sunlit streams, sketching stars and tracing beams. Doodle dreams,